I'm sure you've seen farmers toiling hard to harvest their crops. But have you ever heard of farmers and people from far and wide sifting through agricultural fields in search of diamonds? Hold on right there, I'm not kidding. This is real. Don't believe me? Take a look at these visuals. This is a common sight in Andhra Pradesh's villages of Tugali, Jonnagiri, Madikera of Kurnool district and nearby mandals along with Anantapur district. Farmers and locals here try their luck searching for diamonds ahead of monsoon rains. Now, why do the locals dig up these particular areas for diamonds? It is because these regions, that is Anantapur, Kadapa, Kurnool, Krishna, Guntur districts of Andhra Pradesh account for a significant percentage, or let's say approximately 40% of India's diamond resources, followed by Madhya Pradesh with 32% and Chhattisgarh with 28%. The diamonds come up to the surface when the first rain of the season washes away the top layer of the soil. The diamonds in the state are found in primary kimberlite pipes, secondary conglomerates and tertiary gravels in the old river terraces. Important locations include Dibbasanapalli, Jonnagiri, Yamignur, Nadigadda, Ramalakota, N. Racharla, Munimudugu, Yambai and more in the combined Kurnool district. The National Diamond Project was initiated in the early 1980s to identify diamond-bearing areas in Andhra Pradesh, pinpointed zones in Anantapur, Kurnool, Mahbubnagar, Krishna and Guntur districts. The integrated survey indicated that diamond incidence was erratic, ranging from 1 carat to 35 carats per 100 tons of source material. Now, if we take a look back at history, the Rayalaseema area was known for trading precious stones and diamonds during the Vijayanagara Empire, and in contemporary times, hunters from various parts of Telugu states have thronged these areas to try their luck and make money. Now, apart from Rayalaseema, the Jonnagiri village in Kurnool district features a granite hill with ancient inscriptions by Emperor Ashoka, recognized as a monument by the Archaeological Survey of India. Originally called Suvarnagiri, meaning mountain of gold, Jonnagiri's rock edits date back to 245 BC and are inscribed in Pali using Brahmi script. These inscriptions note that local diamonds, gemstones and gold belong to Emperor Ashoka. Many people focus on areas around Sarva Narasimha Swami temple in Sirivella Mandal headquarters for diamond hunting, as it is believed that Sri Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara Empire and his minister Timmarusu hid a big treasure of diamonds and gold ornaments near the temple. But do people really find diamonds here? Well, recently, 2 agricultural workers and a farmer chanced upon diamonds in Jonnagiri and sold it to a local merchant, earning them 6 lakh for 1 diamond and 5 tolas of gold. On Saturday, May 25th, the farmer found a diamond in Hampa of Madikera Mandal and the trader bought it for 5 lakh. It is estimated that up to 4 diamonds have been found within 2 days. Traders field their agents near the fields and buy diamonds as soon as they are found. Farmers and locals in the past have ended up finding diamonds as expensive as 2 crore. Last year in June 2023, a farmer found a diamond which was sold for 2 crore in Basinipalli village, Madikera Mandal of Kurnool district. 3 hunters had struck riches in 2021 to the tune of 2.4 crore after chancing upon precious stones in Jonnagiri. Another farmer sold a 30-carat diamond for 1.4 crore. Similar stones were found in 2020 and 2019 when farmers made it big. So when does this diamond hunting begin? So when the rain starts, many families leave their homes to hunt for diamonds. People live in tents from June to November at Jonnagiri, Tugali, Madikera, Yaragudi, Peravali and Mahadevapuram. Between June and September every year, locals and farmers set up makeshift tents and try their luck at hitting the jackpot. So can anyone go diamond hunting here? Well, the good news is yes, you can too. If you know the correct locations and are equipped with proper tools for digging, you can try your luck at striking the riches too. Would you try your luck at diamond hunting? Let us know in the comments below. That's it for now. For more such updates, keep watching our channel. This is Afreen Hussain for India Today SOSA.